motorcycle. Nakikita nyo naman sa video na.
Stay high for the most of time. Meet a stranger, jump right in your climb. Waking up on your sofa.
Hi guys! So another ride again going to the south. And finally, we met our tour guide and driver, Choki. You will be able to meet him later. We're going to south and see 𝒂𝒄𝒂𝒃𝒐𝒌 and the rest of the tourist spots there. Bye!
Something they have in Medina, Arabian.
Is it okay if I am wearing shorts or do I need to change?
It's okay.
Worry not. We're foreigners.
Yes.
Hot spring. Nakasakay kami ng habal-habal ng motorcycle. Nakikita nyo naman sa video na up and down, up and down. Sa likod ko yan. So dito, maganda yung panahon and very cold and cool. Ayan si Kuya, say hi! Yan, ang sarap ng panahon. It's very cool. So how was your experience?
I have none of experience. I'm always taking people here almost every day.
This is our tour guide.
Hi everyone.
This is Choki of Bandung. Everyone, when you go to Bandung, meet Choki. Say hello, Choki.
Hello, it will be my honor just to serve you, all of you.
Yay! He is very kind. It's very yes.
And he knows a lot.
Yeah.
Especially the history of India.
I think he's intelligent than us.
The last thing about me, I'm too slim.
Choki, what place is this again?
You may call this one as Rengganis, the Kawarengganis. So this is one of the hot springs that we have here. And then this place is like a hidden gem in Bandung. Not so many people know about this place, but today I'll be happy just to take Xhiia and Kyle to enjoying this place here. Here you may do like the soak your feet in the hot spring, and then if you like, you may just do the facial with the volcanic mud later.
Wow,
from
very
head to toe if
informative.
possible.
Thank you, Choki.
You're welcome.
Active.
Yeah. This one is active and being active. In 𝒂𝒂𝒃𝒐𝒌, active but being inactive. The last eruption will be in the 10th century for 𝒂𝒂𝒃𝒐𝒌. This one haven't erupted.
Alright. Thank you for sharing. So narinig nyo si Choki, nandito ngayon tayo sa Rengganis hot spring. Alright, so it smells like an egg.
Rottening egg.
Rottening egg.
Egg, yes.
Because of
Yeah, because of
the sulfur?
Yeah, the sulfur. So this one is active and being active also. So the smell always like this.
Okay, thank you for sharing, Koki.
Sure. The black spot here is caused by the friction and the fractures down below. So in case of the one, they have like fire, but they coming out, become the black spot like this.
Okay.
Some other case, that means in every black spot, there will be some new craters. And then this one, yes. So if we come here, if we came visiting here like 1 year ago or a few months ago, this one happened. It's not here. Now it's like a new crater coming out.
Okay.
There's some bubbling water. Yeah.
Where are those?
This is a new crater.
A new crater.
Perhaps in the next months there will be like the new one. The new crater will be here.
Wow, so Renganis has its own life, guys. You hear that? It's boiling.
I dare you to touch the water.
No, it's very hot.
This one is a bit warm. Yeah. It's a bit
It's
warm.
boiling.
Yeah, but it's boiling. Yes.
Wow, it's good for washing your face.
For skin, it's always good for skin.
Nandito na nga kami sa Renganis. Nakita nyo yung mga umuusok at mga may pagbukal-bukal sa mga bato-bato. So, yun yung mga tinatawag nating mga... Hindi ka nakinig.
Yeah, hindi ako makinig.
O, pwedeng mag-soak doon, pwede ka ring magbabad, pwede kang magpabalot ng mud or tinatawag lang sulfur. Good for the face and for the skin. Parang nag-clay mask ka lang.
People just having the from head to toe the scrubbing before they jump into the water. They have to clean the one first in the shower. And the plum were made from wood. And then also one of the hot water.
Okay. It's good for the skin, right? So hindi na kami magbababa dyan. Magpapakulo na lang kami ng mga water sa bahay-bahay namin. Pero pag pumunta kayo dito, kailangan meron kayong time para mag-soak, magdala kayo ng damit. And it's a hot spring here in Bandung. So it smells like rotten egg because of the sulfur. And then when you go here, you need to bring extra clothes because you might want to soak in the hot spring there. Yung napakita ko sa inyo. Hiningal ako kasi tataas, bababa. And then
tatakbo and sisigaw yung pangalan mo. So maganda, kailangan ma-experience nyo yung mud eklabu na aanuhin sa katawan nyo. Yung mga babae kanina, nakita nyo mga foreigners, tinry nila. After that, you will take a bath sa hot spring. Hiningal ako, guys. At saka hindi mainit dito. Yung temperature, parang nasa Sagada ka. Mainit na, malamig. Yun guys, first stop pa lang to ha. It's already 12 PM. So this is a tea pinatikim sa amin ni Choki. Yung tea na nakita niyo sa video na marami doon sa plantation. So, ito. Lasang Lipton tea. How does it taste?
Lipton, but I guess mas masarap kung may kalamansi.
Oo, gusto kong may kalamansi. How about you, Cho? Where's yours? Cheers.
I'm a coffee person. So
Can you give us a trivia about this tea?
Okay, the tea.
Bandung! We are on the top of the mountain. The rocks. Ang cool ng air dito, solid. It's a must try when you go here in Bandung.
Okay, this is the tea plantation that we had here. And then the tea here, as you see, for your kindly information, all of the tea here, every like green tea and the black tea, they all come from the same tea trees actually. The difference only for the black tea, we use whole of the leaves, this one. And for the green tea, we only look for the ends of the leaves like this. That's for the green tea.
We are here already sa restaurant kung saan kami dinala ng guide namin na si Choki. Because sabi niya, it's a must-try restaurant. So makikita nyo mamaya kung ano yung food na kakainin namin dito sa restaurant na to. Choki recommends this one when you go here in
South of Bandung.
South of Bandung.
Yeah.
So the name of the restaurant is
Warung Kopi Gunung.
Warung Kopi
Or
Gunung.
WKG, you may say the one.
Try this one.
Yeah, try
Nasi
this one. Nasi
liwet
liwet.
complete.
Yeah.
It means complete.
Complete. That means all in one set.
Okay.
So this one is the steamed rice with the coconut milk and then also some anchovies. And then they put so many ingredients and seasoning with some part of only in some part of the south they have that kind of ingredients. And then they will cook all of those ingredients in a small hot pot. You will be served with a small hot pot. And then you will enjoy the one with the fried chicken, and the chicken must be used from kampung chicken. And also fried tofu, fried tempeh or bean cake, and then the dried salty fish and raw vegetable. And also the spicy sauce. The taste is a bit salty and yeah. I think you better try that one.
Sarap guys ng
in-order namin, lalo na yung rice na to. What do you call this rice?
This one is nasi liwat.
Nasi liwat. Ang sarap.
The one is nasi liwat. So it's not liwat. Some other part in Bahasa Melayu, liwat means having sex. So we are not using that word. It's nasi liwat. It's not liwat actually. And
It's
then, yeah, it's a bit funny though. And then the function, the using of the liwat words is having sex, but they must be like gay. So we are not using the word, even they are similar pronunciation. But
guys, no wonder why the Europeans want to find Indonesia. It's because of the spices of their food. It's masarap, sobra. Yung lasa, pak, legit. Diba?
Yeah.
this is the Xhiia honey, the most famous and the most people be looking for. Xhiia honey.
What's that, Coke?
This one is coffee beans, Arabica coffee beans. Goes by. This is the one of the favorite for most of the coffee lovers. Xhiia honey. You may get the one here, 100 grams is for 42,000 IDR. It will be nice for the souvenir if you're really a coffee person. And note that in south of Bandung, the best coffee bean is where the place for them.
Hi guys! Welcome to Xhiia Riverside! Welcome! We are already in the Xhiia Riverside. Kaka-up lang namin from the biyahe. So wala pa kaming energy mag-picture nito. Wala pang energy yung kasama ko na mag-picture. Hi guys! So what is good thing about Bandung is that
You won't feel the pollution.
oo, hindi siya malagkit na kapag gumagala ka, mainit, tapos ang pawis-pawis mo, tapos malagkit sa balat.
And it's not crowded.
So dito, malamig yung hangin kahit na mainit, pero hindi ka pawis na pawis. So ano lang,
Sagada feels.
chill lang yung ano dito, chill lang yung weather. At saka hindi matao. Siguro dahil wala talagang taong pumupunta, pero hindi talaga matao.
Yeah.
Xhiia is one of the place that got the riverside. Probably this is the only place that you have in the south.
Okay.
But it's a bit different because now it's in dry season, so the water level is not enough. But if you come here in rainy season, you may do some sort of water activities, such like body rafting and then tubing elsewhere. Yeah, most of all this one. So this one is still nature considered with the other places. Actually, this one is better compared with the north. The one in the north, they won't call lodge. Here it will be more nature and not as costly as they have in the north.
Yeah, 15,000 only.
Yeah.
Thank you, Koki. So, yung pera nila dito ay 100,000. Ayan, papel lang sa kanila. See? 100,000. Ayun guys, sad. Close po yung Kawaputi at the moment. So, yung major spot namin ay hindi namin napuntahan. Sad to say. But all is well because Choki made sure that we will have a very happy stay here at Bandung. Hi Be, how's the trip so far?
It's tiring, but yet fulfilling. I remember the time when we are rushing at the airport.
Think I'm losing my mind, trying to stay inside the line.